Here we are. Okay, everything's okay. I can see the two cameras, the screen. Beautiful. We are ready. You guys can hear the music, right? Let me see. Spotify is here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's begin, right? This is the blog post, and we want to show a little heart at the bottom, right? And we want to do that with framer motion. I don't have any, inspiration on how that should look like, etc. We could go to Lottie files to get that inspiration. Maybe not that ambitious one, and try to replicate it in framer motion, right? So lottiefiles.com, and they have like super cool animations. If we want to go ambitious, then we'll just use a Lottie file animation. But I think we should try to implement something with framer motion. So let's search for like, right? Because that's what we're going to do.
Ah, nice.
And here is the Twitter like, right? We can see there's the heart. Let me open it in a separate page. Oh, come on. This thing is too heavy. Like all of the animations on a single page.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna open it in a new tab. It doesn't want to get opened in a new tab. So let's just try to... I want to see it like... I want to see it isolated, not not with the other animations. Okay, like heart. There we go. Right. So we have a heart that can be an icon, right? And this heart, it zooms in with what was the animation called? A spring animation, right? It zooms in, but there's a little. There is a little spring going on. Then there's a circle, around it that grows, and all of these, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little dots. Do you think we can build this in a single stream? I have no idea. Unless we try, we will never know. But this is cool. I like the, I like the animation. And should we do... Like there's like one thing. Another thing, for example, animations that I like for like buttons is the medium one, right? So let's see. The clap thingy. Okay, micro front ends.
That's a nice little one.
It is, yeah. So let's scroll to the bottom of this page. And there's the clap here, right? And if we press on it, okay, it pretty much zooms in a bit. There's a little confetti going around, and a little tooltip here, right? Nice. This is better, right? Better. I mean, it's not necessarily better in terms of looking or etc. It's nice. It's nice looking, right? But it's also, I guess, easier to make. So should we roll with this without?
Maybe, because
let's try it without the confetti. If we have time, we can add the confetti then.
There's a nice little plugin actually add-on for React called React Confetti that I was playing with the other day.
Nice. React confetti.
Confetti,
Let's check it out.
Because there's one that's canvas and there's one that's just confetti. So canvas is the other one I was looking at. Confetti is the top one I think is the one you want.
Okay, here's the canvas one.
It's a little bit less supported though. It's more of a proof of concept because it's based on another library.
Oh, okay.
It's just a wrapper. Whereas the other one is like got a storybook. It's got a nice demo.
Okay,
stuff,
cool.
So
and this is
the confetti might be better.
This is just the cat dad repo, right?
Right, but the one I've sent you the link for it is
nice.
It's quite a bit simpler, I think.
Okay, so this one's from Alan Pros. Let's check it out. This one is cool as well, but let's see. Confetti without the cleanup. I love it.
Yeah, that's cool. This
We'll
one
just
has a
leave
slightly
it.
bit. If you look at it, it's got slightly more variance in the little bits of confetti. So like some are circles, some are like little.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's kind of like a point of like the source it spews out from an XY coordinate. It's quite cool.
Yeah, yeah.
That might be useful if you kind of where we get the click event might pop out nicely.
Okay. AJ, how's it going, AJ? Increase font. Thank you. We'll do. We'll be coding in here. So I guess this is okay enough, right? Let me know if I need to zoom in more on the code. All right. So initial opacity run. So I can just like this. No. All right. So how can we, for example, let's see. Okay, this activates the party mode.
Yeah.
There's a snow. Yeah. What about, like, can I control how many, or how much time the confetti will run?
I see what you mean. You can play. I thought it might be gravity, but gravity reverses them.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Particle count. Maybe this is okay.
There is one that will just it's a cannon. That's the one.
Yeah.
I think this other one has one too. But yeah, it's the cannon. Like just one shot and it just goes away. Right? You don't want it constant.
Yeah.
Recycle. Go back to the other one for a sec.
Okay.
The storybook one. And if you click on the recycle prop and it loads.
Okay, so
Click that off, and then it will only do it once. So it's a recycle prop that keeps it going all the time, I think.
okay, nice, cool. So alright, so number of pieces is set to 200. So it's like 200 pieces without recycling is just 200 pieces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, cool. Yeah, we can definitely try this in that case. Let's go back and yeah, let's set it up first, right? So we need a React icon, and we'll use the clap if we can find. Oh, applause.
No hand.
No hands.
Maybe. No hands. Jazz hands.
Jazz hands. What? There is no animation.
Can we maybe we could use emoji quickly, just to clap emoji. Oh, there's a hand there.
Yeah, I mean there are hands, but there are no clapping hands. Well, maybe we'll just use the heart, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, then we'll just throw a bit of confetti and we're good to go, right?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Alright, so I've been using mostly hero icons. So we'll use the HI heart. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go back. We are in the blog post slug here page. And let's see. Here's the MDX remote, right? Now let's try to just add another, I don't know, let's add an H stack. So we can wrap everything up, right? I will do justify content, justify content, we'll set it to center. Right, and align items, we'll set it to center as well. So everything is just nicely centered. We're going to import our icon now. From React icons HI. And we have the chakra icon as well. Yeah, we do need the chakra icon. So we can paint it. This is going to definitely be a separate component, but we'll just, keep it here for the time being. I'll do an icon for now. Right, as HI icon, sorry, not actually a component, as HI icon, then we'll do color, I don't know, red for hundreds. HI icon, what am I doing? HI heart. Beautiful, let's go back and see it. I didn't set any width and height, so. Alright, cool. Cool. Let's see, box size 12. So that should be like 48 pixels. Nice, beautiful. Okay. Darko, yeah. The back of my office looked like a gym. Yeah, and there's a lot of things going on, yeah, but I'm going to move in a separate room. I got one dedicated just for static. What am I doing? Just for live streams. No, this is our offices here at CodeCam. Yeah. Right. So let's do align item center again. Justify content. Justify. We don't actually need justify. I'm gonna place the text, the number of likes here as well. Align item center, and what do we want to do? Spacing. Let's give it 40 pixels is a lot, right? Let's just give it 24. Yeah. And let's also add the text here. Let's say, I don't know, 56, and we'll do color gray 500. Let's see how that looks.
Isn't it amazing though once you get used to the 4-pixel scale?
Yeah.
The multiples, you can just use them everywhere and everything's almost consistent. It's so nice.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it's super cool. All right. Too much. Maybe let's try it 0 just to see how it looks like.
Oh.
2. I guess 2 would be okay, right?
Maybe 1. I always put 1 because it's just enough. It's 4 pixels.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. At that
It's not too bad, I think.
suppose. At that size, the Gestalt rules of like the relative sizes probably makes it okay. But when it's smaller and it's nice, it's good to go tighter. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I mean,
that looks quite.
I'm gonna set the box size to 8 or 10. That's cool. Yeah, this definitely works. All right, so pretty much this is what we want to build, right? The layout itself. So I'm just gonna create a new component out of this. Components like button. Index.tsx const like button equals yada yada yada. And I'm gonna trigger error and do export default like button. Okay. All right, return. Here we are. Let's just do the imports now from Chakra UI. Okay, React. We'll do age stack and icon and also texts. And then we'll import the high heart from React icons high. Okay. Here is our like button. We can just do like button. There we go. Nice. Nothing should be changed.
Is that Andre trying to troll me there? Is it?
All right. So what we need to pass in this like button is definitely the post log, right? Because the like button will send out the actual. Should the like button send the API requests to increase the likes, or should it expose an on like method so we can do that? What do you think? What do you think we should do?
I like keeping those sort of components as simple as possible, and then wrapping it. Not necessarily the present or dump component pattern, but it's just nice, especially when you're using. I don't know if you use Storybook at all to drive out your work, but it can just make things
not a lot, yeah. All right, yeah. So we'll expose. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
No, I was just gonna say, but if you wanted to keep things simple for now, like this DOM structure at the moment, it's gonna be quite simple. It's a trade-off, I guess. So.
Yeah.
Passing in the prop does mean that we'll, is it the slug component that's gonna be rendering this? Is it? What
do you mean?
Depends. I mean, which component would be rendering the like button?
The blog page, and this will be rendered statically. So.
I see. Right. Yeah. So again, I would keep that sort of callback in what I kind of call it's like these are sort of the boundary components in your system, and so you want to push down the simpler components, keep them as simple as possible, and then what we call like an inverted dependency right up to the top of the tree.
Alright, yeah, makes total sense.
In future though, you could always use context or something similar. There's always a trade-off there. So.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but we'll keep it simple for now. So we set it up to LM Pros, right? The LM Pros library. So let's just add it. So I'm gonna do yarn add React confetti with a dash. Let me zoom in on this thing a bit. By the way, we forgot to make a branch, so let's try height.app. Let's see if it gets triggered automatically.
So what's height again?
The project management tool that I'm trying out. And I have a task here called blog likes, implement blog post likes, right? So we can do, what is this thing? See parent tasks? No. So I'm gonna do GitHub, copy GitHub branch name, implement blog post likes. Beautiful. All right. So I'm going to create new branch, just paste this thing right here and push it, empty. And yeah, there we go, automatically. Nice. All right, so blog post likes is done. Man, this is taking a bit of time. Also, my computer feels like it's going to explode. All right, we got the package running. So let's do yarn def again so we can bring back the server. And let's see how we can use it, right? There's a confetti React component that we can import from React confetti, right? And they also want the width and the height, and they imported from React use.
I think we're already using that to play the audio, aren't we?
Probably, yeah. But on the other hand, they get the width and height and set the width and height of the whole canvas, but we don't really need, right? Well, so we should do confetti source in that case, right? Rectangle where the confetti should spawn. Default is across the top.
Right.
Nice. So we
we
can get the the location of the icon or the H tag and pass that one. Right? So instead of width and height, we want to do the confetti source.
Should work.
Should work, yeah. Let's try this. And we can leave the recycle. We can leave the recycle confetti, so we can see it, just as for the beginning. Number of pieces. Let's make that 200 for now. Recycle. We'll just set this to true. Oh, it's by default true. Okay. And now we want to run the animation loop. Okay, we can see how we can do this. Maybe on click of the whole thing, we can set that as true for a certain amount of time, trigger the onLike method, and then just set it to false, I guess, or not.
Let's just play around and see what it does first of all, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we want to define the confetti source now, and the confetti source takes an object, right?
It does. It's X, Y, and width, canvas.width, and height 0. That's the default. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna set the X and Y to zeros, and we'll do width, I don't know, 150, and height to 150. Why not? Width number is...
It's W.
Oh, it's W.
Right.
No, it's actually width.
But in the confetti source...
Oh.
It's...
Right, yeah. It's WH. There we go. Okay, we should see it now. And we should see it at the top, right?
Oh, it's next is refreshing, is it?
Yeah. And the whole page goes. I mean, because we restarted the server, right?
Ah. Do you need to restart the next server every time you install a new dependency?
Well, I just stopped it and did that in the same. There we go, guys. Wow.
So now, see, this is what I was worried about. See the way it's like sort of cut off at the edges because you're setting a specific width and height.
Yeah.
I think that's why you would use the whole window. Doesn't mean it's going to render across the whole window, but it will allow it to spin.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. It's
Yeah,
not going to get cut. Yeah. So let's try
Yeah.
that. Yeah, it makes total sense. Okay, so we'll grab the window size, and we already have the React views for the audio thing, and we'll just set the width and the height of the whole confetti.
Right.
And let's see that now. It should
It
continue.
Should spill.
There we go.
There we go. Right.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now we need to
that's
position
what we
it.
Right.
Okay.
Thing.
We need
Do
to
we need to-
position it.
Wonder, do we need to use like position relative absolute or something similar, or is there an actual support for this?
Not sure. Let's see how it gets rendered first.
Opacity.
If it's at the top,
I think we'd have to get what you call the position X, position Y from
yeah, from the
the.
H stack probably.
Yes, but there's a property for that, isn't there?
Oh goddamn, we died. Come on now,
Oh, is it crunching?
it's crunching.
Making you sound Irish now, am I?
Alright, so it's not at the top level, so let's dig in. Chakra stack. Here's the section. Here's the stack. Oh dude, yeah, the birthday gift. Dude, that was so amazing. Andre actually prepared a little happy birthday card for me. Dude, that was amazing. You know, that was like really super cool.
Andre, high five, Andre.
Also, here's the stack. Here's the SVG. Here's the P. And there's the canvas, dude. Here's the canvas.
Right.
Okay, so if I
Yes.
set the canvas to be... Okay, it's already positioned absolute, but if I were to set the stack
Yes.
to be relative, then we get it
Yes.
automatically. That's a
Hopefully,
position. Hopefully, yeah. Relative. It should be down now.
Should.
But it has
Andre.
a full height now.
I'm gonna do an Andre. This is amazing. Oh man, this is amazing. Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah, but check this out.
Hmm.
Right?
This is the tricky thing.
No, it's not really tricky. If we go negative here, like say minus 150 and minus 150,
And we can get it to spew up and out. Is that what you're
Yeah.
thinking? Like, it
probably place it here. Okay, yeah. It is there, but the
it's-
H
yeah.
stack.
Has it got overflow on there?
Let me just get this to the right. Come on, machine, work. Here's the canvas. It's still not, just taking the negative. Do they have a sample on the...
That's what I was looking for. It's not much actual demo. Unless it's in the stories. Let me check the stories.
Should be in the stories, yeah. Let's get in.
The custom source is there.
Parties,
Check
no.
the go. Size confetti.
Custom source, okay.
Yeah.
There's a point confetti, There's a run, there's a recycle, number of pieces, wind, etc., etc. And then that's it, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what it looks like.
Point confetti. But what is point confetti? It already has a confetti source right here. So width and height are like 10, and X and Y are half of the width and height of the screen.
So maybe so I think I get it now. So I think it's like you give it like the tiny portal size, which the confetti will spew out from. So the widths are too high, I think, maybe.
Yeah, let's try 10 by 10, just like it is here. And we should probably do, I don't know, what should we do here?
Well, let's divide it by 10, so it'll be centered. If you look at the demo, they're doing the width divided by 2. So half and half, so it'll put it in the middle. Yeah,
we should put it in the middle there, but that would be based on this H tag, right? Although we can try to. Yeah, dude. Let's see. Should we like dynamically get the actual?
This is what that's what I was going to suggest. Is that we should get the width of the actual element instead of the window size. We want to get
the width of the stack.
The width of the stack.
Yeah, so this one is like 60 by 32. We can make it. Should we like get it dynamically or?
Well, if you think about it, we probably should have it like give it like a canvas itself, like not a canvas element, but you know, like a 64 by 64 grid, so that it's kind of, you know, space within that. So maybe because, you know, if we're gonna set, like, we've got a set width on the icon, don't we? And but we don't have a set width on the text, but that's fine, I think, as long as it's padded around. So we could say like box size is like 16 or something like that, and then just give it 32 for each side. Because that might be easier. That
would work as well, yeah.
It might just be easier just to, like, you know, have a set width instead of trying to be smart, maybe.
Yeah.
At least for now, to see. I'm having a look at the hooks. See if there's another one.
Let's try this.
Right, so there's a use measure and there's a use size we can use if this doesn't work for us. In the same React use package.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we can definitely get that. Alright, so here's the stack, right? What was the trick to actually log the currently selected element? Was it like a $0? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we can do what was the offset top? Probably that's like 6500, pretty much, give or take. So let's try to set the Y.
Is it not working, by the way? I didn't.
No, I just want to position it. And then left 1250. Let's try that as well. And save it.
Have we got rid of the position relative?
I did, yeah. And the confetti are gone. Let's try to reload just in case. Yep, nope. We have lost the confetti. Someone cleaned it up.
Yeah, the wedding's over.
All right, let's try.
Congratulations, Andre.
Oh, check it out. The width and height are set to infinity now.
Why? Is it because it's greater than the size of the canvas itself or something?
No idea.
That's weird.
I mean, here it is. You can see it's like 300 by 150. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, maybe this is the case. Like it's absolute, right?
Yeah.
And
so let's
because it's absolute.
Shall we just go back to putting relative on the parent and
Yeah, let's try that.
then we can put.
Yeah, in this case we can do 30 by, I don't know,
Yeah, let's just go
32.
30 with. Right. Yeah.
It's actually 32. Yeah, we'll do 16 by 32. Yeah. So it's at the top, you know, it's in the center bottom. Yeah, there. I guess it's pretty much there. I don't know. But we still get that cut.
Yeah, this is the thing I was afraid of at the very start. Is it still has to draw a canvas, but that canvas needs to be large enough so that all of the animations can finish within it. That won't look like it is boxed off.
Yeah.
So it is a tricky sort of idea.
I mean, also, if we define, for example, if we get the position relative out, right? It goes up, but it's still here, right? And now the width and height are actually acting up, so I'm not sure why that happens. And it makes sense for the canvas to be fixed, right? God damn, what is going on? We broke it.
Well, we are getting errors there, but might be unrelated. It's infinity again.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is I've pasted a few links there, but there is like a use size and a use measure. We could try playing with that and seeing if we can get the actual.
Yeah.
That may not be the real problem, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Width and height, top, right, bottom, left. Okay, yes.
If you actually look at that, though, it is using the resize observer. So I'm wondering, does that mean will it give us an initial measure when the thing's rendered? Because we won't be resizing it ourselves, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
Do you think?
I don't know. Let's try it. You know.
Yeah.
So we should get rid of this. The use window size.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think that one's designed for raining down the whole screen.
And then we can import the use measure. We'll get the ref, and we'll just do ref equals ref. So when we set that up, we get all of these things.
Yeah.
Right. But the width and height will be the width and height of the actual box there.
Right.
And then we can do X and Y to position it to the top left. Actually, not.
Yeah.
We need the
half it.
top and left.
Okay.
Actually, left and top. Sorry. Because X is.
Well, I was thinking it might be X, like divided by 2, so you get it in the center.
Oh, right. Yeah. Makes sense as well.
Pops out from the middle of it, like. But, you know.
But yeah, that would be based on the H stack, right?
Mhm.
So we should see it here, I guess.
I guess. Yeah.
No, it's still there, but we got rid of the position.
We did, yeah.
So relative is back. There we go. But it's still.
But.
This doesn't look good.
I think we might want to do a bit of research into how Twitter does it and stuff, because, or like how do they handle the bounding box issue? You know?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I guess.
Unless, as I say, maybe we do have it slightly wrong. Like maybe it should be the width and height of the whole window, so it has that space to spit out to.
Yeah, and we should probably set it to fixed as well, the width and the height, right? So it scrolls with our screen, right? But then the confetti source, we can, I don't know, we can change that when we click, right? When we do the click here, so we'll get the actual coordinates on the screen, and we'll set them and trigger the confetti. And that would be the source, right? I don't know. Let's try that. Can we do position? No, we can do style, I guess. Yeah. position, we'll set it to fixed. Right, and we'll do inset is 0. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see now. Right, and it scrolls with us.
Ah, yeah.
And that's cool. So when we click on this guy here, we can get. We should get not within its parent, but you know the coordinates based on the screen. Can we do that?
Oh, I follow you. Yeah, good point.
Yeah, let's try.
So yeah, what do we have currently then? Is it going top left like 0, 0 at the moment?
It's 16, 32,
right, basically
10 by 10.
If we keep the width and height and put back in the use measure and try to get the x and y of the H stack, that might be something. We're trying at least.
Yeah, so I got this selected. We can do 0 dot. Let's see top. We have offset top, which is 6509, client top, and scroll top. And we don't have that.
But won't the use measure work for us?
What about getting the... I'm not sure that would work too.
So what about using the use measure hook that we tried before to get the XY? So we get the width and height fine from the window size, and then we get X and Y from the use measure.
Right, but we've set the position to fixed, so maybe the X and let's just see what the X and Y are going to do for us, right? So we're not going to take the width and height in this case.
Yeah.
We're not really interested. We just want the X and Y. So let's do X and Y just to see what happens. And here they are.
So that shoves it even further off. That's really odd.
Yeah.
Do you want to stick in a debugger statement so it'll break and we can see the values that it's actually getting back?
Yeah, let's try that.
Why isn't it breaking?
No idea. Let's see. Like button, index.
Okay.
We don't actually change it.
Putting a breakpoint on a breakpoint. But should be the same thing. Let's
just reload. Oh, come on. Test. We want it.
Your dev server. The dev server's getting a bit annoyed.
Okay, so
right,
still early. Zeros, all zeros.
Right, so that explains why it didn't move.
Damn it.
We forgot the ref.
Sorry, which ref? Oh,
we didn't.
Exactly.
Got to put the ref on there. Yep.
Now let's just log them out.
Yeah, it's just as good.
We'll do X and Y only. We don't actually care about anything else, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's see them. Yeah, but that's like the thing that we need to do. So it's like 0, 0 now.
What?
And that's it, you know.
Is that because it's fixed, as you said? That's really, I don't know. What makes no sense?
No, but this one actually is not fixed. The horizontal stack, it's not really fixed. The confetti is, but this one is not.
Yeah, so why are we not getting?
This is crazy. Yeah, but that's what I'm like thinking. Maybe we should handle the click, right? So when you click on it, you get the event, and then you get the, then you get the coordinates there. Maybe we can try that.
Event that target the, offset X, offset Y. Yeah, let's just try it that way instead of leaning on that library.
Right, so we'll get rid of the measure thing as well. And the ref thing here. I'm gonna set an on-click here on the horizontal stack, but don't do that, guys. Alright, so let's log out the E.
Well, you can do an as button on there, which you'll probably want to do eventually anyway.
Right, so we got client X and Y's here, right?
Right.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's log out E, and then we can see it.
Yeah.
Then we can see what's up. X is not defined, of course it's not. Let's do zeros here and go back. Okay, scrolling down. And let's try to click on this. There's the event. We're looking for client X and Y. Beautiful. 854 and 1041. So we can set the X and Y to these values. So they should be here, right? But these X values. Nice. Okay, that makes sense. So let's try to do click coordinates, right? Set click coordinates. That would be in a use state. We're just gonna do X number, Y number. And we wanna set the client stuff. So X E dot client X, and then Y E dot client Y. Okay, cool. And now we got the click coordinates here. I'm going to initialize this to
0.
Not actually.
0, 0.
We should do play. Was that the play or was it run? It was run. Yeah, there we go. Run if we have the click coordinates.
Ah, nicely, yes.
Yeah, so it's not undefined, or let's just do the double bang. And then we can do confetti source click coordinates. I'm gonna do optional here. Okay, click coordinates Y. Okay, guys, let's check this out.
Okay.
All right, so this will set it here.
Yay! That's what we wanted.
Exactly what we wanted, man. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. This is cool.
Oh, it's so awesome. It's awesome. It's the Andrew dance. Awesome.
The Andrew dance. All right. Yeah. Now we need to do a timer, right? So we can leave this for a timer. Yeah. Let's see this. So we are going to set the recycle to false. Okay, and we'll do on stop, on end, on what, on ended, right? And we're going to do set click coordinates to undefined. Okay.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Nice.
Would that make sense?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna just, instead of doing happy birthday, instead of doing any timers and all, we're not going to recycle these 200 confetti pieces. We're going to just let them loose. But when they finish, when they finish falling, the unended should happen, I presume, right? And then we'll kill the click coordinates, right? Let's see this.
What about that error that's there?
Oh, god damn it, it's not working. Width did not match. It's still the width and height thing.
That's fine.
Alright, so let's go back now. Let's try to... There's the click coordinates here, right? We'll play our run. But let's also make sure to have a breakpoint here as well. let's reload. Let's reload because we probably, got the confetti. Oh, can we like set, just like reset the number of confetti? Because we don't recycle them, right? No, let's see this. Click, set coordinates. Where are you guys? They're gone. They're gone. Okay. Who got the confetti?
Andre, have you got the confetti? Give it back, will you?
All right, man. All right. Well, damn, dude.
Run.
Is it like probably this? Because when we set the click coordinates, this will trigger a re-render, so then the run will get recalculated. Is this a boolean only? It is a boolean, yeah. Stops the request animation frame loop. Set it. Huh. On play, on run. Let's check it out. Console log playing. Alright, and we'll stick a breakpoint in there. God damn it. Alright. Okay, yeah. Probably not. Probably not. Can we like get a ref out of this thing so then we can use the API or something like that so we can manually like trigger it?
Yeah, there is like an example of using refs.
Let's see. Set the confetti. And this should play. Okay, it exists now. Let's see, I don't know, let's see recycle true. Let's try to, let's try to play it first at a certain time, and then we can work on the recycling.
Yeah, that's fair.
Alright, now we're back. Let's put a breakpoint here just to see the coordinates and stuff. Alright, so we're clicking. Right, the click coordinates should be undefined now, but we'll set them. And now it's an object, it's not undefined. And that's it. Okay. When we introduced the run, that's actually when it started doing stuff.
That's so odd. I'm just trying to look at the example in the story to see what are we doing differently. The point confetti, where he's just literally just putting a simple 10x10 box. It's in custom source, but I'm looking at if you click on the story tab, you
Okay.
can see the actual source.
Oh, nice.
See down there, yeah. So I'm just trying to work out like what is the difference? Because I don't know whether we're just making this harder than it needs to be, but I'm not sure.
There's a toggler concept here.
Yeah.
So if it's visible, then we render the children here, right? But then we do the react on confetti. And there's only a style, nothing else.
And that's just the Z index to make it appear above the text.
Yeah.
So yeah, should we grab that and just see what happens, or what do you think? I like that one.
This always starts at the top, right?
Yeah.
Size confetti.
yeah.
There's a ref here. And what do we do with the ref? Hey, check this out. Active props. If there's an X, we get this. If not, we get run false. Hey.
Ah, so I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So it's not running unless it has these. Okay. Maybe we can like do that. Right. This is the confetti source. Let's try. Let's try that. Let's try that. So we're gonna do. Let's do the same. Active props. Right. If the click coordinates exist, right, then we'll return the actual
and then
confetti source.
We shouldn't need to do that. The short circuiter, the nullish bio, the question mark basically.
If not, then we'll say run is false, and then we'll spread the active props. Okay, so when we set them, let's see now. Now it shouldn't run, right? Let's just jump right through. I don't need these breakpoints, man.
No, I don't think you have enough. I think I should have a few more.
All right, so we got the confetti source now. It should run,
Lovely.
right? God damn. Let me just remove all the breakpoints. This is getting out of hand. And restart. Now we could probably bring back the recycle. Right?
Yeah.
So when it ends, I guess the on end event will get called, so we can restart. The actual. Let's see now. Click it. What? Come on now. All right. So lag button. Let's dig in again. Come on, guys. Active props. Confetti source. There we go. Set it. Do they have run through set there? Or not? Where was that? That was here. No runs or no run props here.
No run.
God no. Let's try to reinforce, just force it out. So run is true. Oh, not here, just a level above.
Run is default. It's true by default though.
I know, yeah, but okay.
There's a red X in that other index. Is that just an old error?
Sorry?
On the first tab, there's on the index of TSX. There's an error.
Oh yeah, but this is the, I don't know. Just stays
I don't know
here.
if that's fresh. Is that still?
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Active props run false. Okay. And again.
Right.
And again. Because the click coordinates are undefined, so that means it's false. So let's try to trigger it now. Now the click coordinates exist, so the active props will be that, right? Run. No. It seems it cannot start. It's like a car in winter.
What about recycle true? Is that doing something? Well, that's default. It's true by default.
It is true by default, yeah.
Recycle. Yeah.
Let's like remove it.
What are we doing wrong?
You know, something is not. Where is the?
Check. Do you want to try the toggle one?
Let's try that.
Clean up on mount.
Alright, so we're going to bring the confetti source back. There we go, and we will conditionally render this. If we got confetti, no, click coordinates. If we got click coordinates, then bring them in. And it's going to run.
Yeah.
And let's see. Reload.
We're not setting. That way we're not setting anything ahead of time. We're just saying render this or don't render it.
Yeah, it's like it's not really reactive, right? We should. Let's see. We should set the set the recycle to false now. Okay.
Is it working?
Cool.
Oh.
It didn't trigger the on play though. There is no on play. Let's try to say recycle is false. So we only want 200 pieces of paper, nothing much, nothing more, nothing less, right? And let's see if we, let's see if we get this thing. So I'm just gonna console log ended, just to see if it gets triggered here. So play 200 pieces. That's it. Let's wait for the last one. No ended, right? Because we want to set the click coordinates to undefined now. So when we click again, they should. But what if we want to like smash click it? Okay. See that?
Let's see. Do you want it to do that?
Yeah, like click a lot of, just like go crazy on the click one. On confetti complete. What the? God damn it, guys. It's not on ended. It's on confetti complete.
Oh,
We'll just
types for this thing.
I mean, there was on ended. See? I'm not sure if it comes from it or I don't know. Let's just reload. Oh, okay, we got the ended now. Beautiful.
Yeah, there is no
we console it on. Also set click coordinates undefined, so that I can reuse it.
There's only that one callback. There's no one on start or on end. I don't know where that came from. Would have expected TypeScript to pick up on that though.
Yeah.
Maybe the types aren't great.
Okay. Yeah. Right, let's see. One. There we go.
It's implemented in TypeScript, by the way. I don't know why.
Okay, there we go.
Ah, that's cool. Oh man.
Yeah, but if I go crazy, check this out. If I go crazy, see? Yeah, it needs to like restart.
I see.
Right. What if we were to?
So that's where the run comes in, I think.
No, what if we were to increase this number of pieces? Like increment them by 200 on each click. So we'll do set coordinates and also top up the number of pieces. Will that actually work? Let's see. set confetti pieces. We'll just do use state, set them to 200 by default, right? Confetti pieces here, and then set confetti pieces. We'll do old pieces plus 200 for each click. Okay. Okay.
That could happen.
200.
That's good.
Check it out, man. There we go.
That's good.
So we are just like, you know, check this out. God damn.
Oh, you're gonna create a
So,
browser.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. It doesn't actually wait for it to end. You know, we just get a bucket of new confetti and we'll just like spill it inside. Go, goddamn. Okay, so check this out.
Wow.
Okay, got it. So on confetti complete, we want to see on confetti complete now, because right now we are only incrementing this state variable, but nobody decrements it, right?
Oh,
If I click now, it's not going to be 200. It'll be like, I don't know, maybe 2000.
yeah, that's what's wrong there. Yeah.
So we need to, you know, let's also open this up as a function, and we'll do set confetti pieces.
Yeah.
I don't know.
200.
Either back to 200 or subtract 200 from it. I'm not sure. So I want to see, let's say console log out of confetti completed. You know, to see if, you know, if it batches them, right? So if we click 3 times with like 1 second in between, that's like 600 confetti. But will it get called 3 times for like the first, second, and for the first batch of confetti, the second and the third? Let's see. If that's the case, then we'll just subtract 200, because, you know, we pushed 200, they start flying, and as soon as that batch finishes, we'll just subtract. Let's see. 1. I need to restart because the state variable is now crazy. We can also do the random direction too, if it, or was that from the other? Yeah, that was, I guess that was for the other variable. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Alright, so I guess back to 200, right? Because it's not for each batch, so okay. If I go crazy like this,
Wow.
you know what? Let's do this in that case. Math.max. So increment by 200 or 600 at most. Okay?
That's great. That's a great idea.
Yeah. So even if we go crazy,
Yeah, it won't happen.
there will. But
Because that idle callback warning is shouting at you.
yeah, but if we do this now, god damn, too much confetti.
Wow, that's a lot.
Can we play with the time? Gravity. I guess gravity is that, right?
No, gravity will make it go back up again.
But what if we make it stronger so
Instead of down.
it can pull?
Oh, you want it to be faster?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's set the wind to 0.5 because I can see everything is. Let's see.
Yeah, gravity speeds it up.
Check out the wind.
Massively. So if you put the gravity to 1, it'll go.
Yeah, so gravity 1.
Yeah. Oh, the wind. That's cool.
All right, so we can do, I don't know, 0.8.
Yeah. That's about right, actually, for an explosion or a cannon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
But we want to tone it down, right? So let's see. Confetti, confetti batch number. Let's set that to 50 instead. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Let's set that to 50, and we can just go up, up, up until 300. All right, let's just reload. All right, this could work, man. But we've been at this for more than 1 hour now.
And should we take a quick break? You think?
I guess we should, yeah.
That is cool, though. That's really nice because it's a nice balance between overboard and a bit of delight. You know, like a
Let's see.
Interaction.
Let's see, for example, if we are like zoomed in, and now we'll check out where the button is, right? So if we click on it, yeah, beautiful. So anytime we click, and if we scroll, the confetti will, you know, keep coming out.
No one's gonna do that, though.
I hope so.
Well.
Oh, sorry, guys. Maybe. Max. We wanna do min, not max. That means it's always 300.
I was gonna say if we lowered the number of confetti, then it would be over quicker, so you wouldn't have time to scroll. That's quite good. So you're clicking once. If you click once, what does it look like?
There we go.
Or are you just too used to hammering it?
1.
So even 1 might...
There we go.
1 do? Even that might be a bit too much for 1, you know.
Yeah. What if we can get the number of likes?
Ah!
Not the number of your likes. No, but it's like...
Nah.
Or we can like get the number of likes, but what if it's like way too much? Then, you know...
yes.
That would cap it. We don't want to cap it, you know?
We could clamp. We could use the clamp function and do it that way.
Let's see.
But yeah, I think maybe we might want to lower that confetti a bit more.
It'll be too much cleaning up.
Not too bad. God, your floor's gonna be a mess, Lazar.
Well, so here it is.
You're gonna be up to your neck. So much confetti, man. You'll be spitting it out all night now.
This is okay, right? It seems okay to me.
That's perfect. That's
nice.
Let's leave it.
Oh boy. Okay. All right. So I guess we should do this now. We are going to import button. We're gonna render a button here, but as HStack. So the on click is not really awkward, right? But the button should not have. We'll do variant ghost. Okay.
That's interesting because I would have done that as HStack as button because so it'll render a button element.
Oh, actually, yeah, dude. HStack as button.
Because that way you'd still be rendering a div, and you don't want a div that has an on click.
Yeah.
Or Ryan Florence will come out and eat you.
Alright, let's check this out now. Beautiful.
That's lovely.
Clickety.
Ah.
Nice, man. Beautiful.
So, time for an entry dance. That's nice. That's nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So shall we commit this and then take a quick break and then come back and get the real data in from PlanetScale?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes total sense.
Awesome.
I'm gonna do this real quick
All
now.
right. Yeah.
I'll just push everything. We got confetti. Done. No, we got confetti. Congratulations, we got confetti. Awesome. Okay, let's do a quick break, and then we can continue with the actual, PlanetScale / Prisma integration. Cool.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, see you in like 5 to 7 minutes. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, we're back. That was a quick break. Thank you for staying with us. Alright, so let's recap. We added a like button on every blog post. So when you hit the like button, it spits out a bit of confetti, like we can see here. And that's nice. Are we losing confetti? No, there we go.
It might be nice to put an area hidden on there of like, you know, for accessibility, because you can't see the text. Just an idea though, because you know that way icon buttons will make you put an area label on there.
What do you mean? For on the icon?
On the button.
Oh right, yeah.
Like an area.
Yeah, dude. Area label.
Mhm.
Will do. Like blog post. Yeah, like blog post. Yeah. Or like the blog post. Yeah, just like blog post. Okay, cool. Alright.
Now trying to get better at, you know.
Yeah, dude, definitely. I mean, you need to remember like to do these things, and then we get some errors. Let's reload the page and see what we had, what the errors are. And when we're done with this, we can continue with the actual implementation and persistence. Alright?
That's weird.
Yeah, I click it, but they show, they start a bit later. There's like a little delay. Yeah, maybe it's like the re-render. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see that some other time. For now, I think it does the job. Awesome.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we want to do the on like, right? And because this is going to do database writes, maybe we should pass on the number of likes, right? And we can use that. We can use the onConfetti complete to actually, set the number. I mean, we will set it with a state variable, the number of likes, right? So we can batch like 10 of these, and we can write them with a single API request. Like, what do you guys think?
That works.
Yeah. Right, so we'll do number of likes, set number of likes. We'll do use state 0. And on every click here, we're going to set the click coordinates, set the confetti, and do set number of likes. And we'll just increment the old one. Old value plus 1, right? And if we go crazy on the button, this will happen many times, but the on confetti complete will happen when we actually when we actually stopped clicking, right? So then we can say number of likes will be a number, and we can call the like here on like, and we'll do number of likes, right? So we can batch these. Awesome. Now the like component is complete. We can focus on actually providing the number of likes, yeah? And we'll do, just to see, just to confirm that it works, number of likes. Okay. All right, let's check this out. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likes. There we go, 5 likes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 likes, 16. Oh, okay, yeah. we forgot to actually, reset it. Beautiful. So on like and set number of likes, we'll set it to 0 because this thing restarts it. Okay. Awesome. Reload it. 1, 2, 3. 26. Let's do it from the beginning. 8 likes. 9 likes. Let's just do 2. 2 likes. Okay. Yeah, this works. Awesome. Now we can focus on actually, implementing the logic of the number of likes. We can open up Delba's website. We used Delba's website as an inspiration on how to implement stuff in the previous stream, and we're gonna do the same again. So let's open up her GitHub profile and check out the website. There is a Prisma schema here. She has post meta with the number of likes here and likes by user. There we go. Right? Mm-hmm. Let's compare it with our schema and see what we're missing. So post meta, we actually copied it like blindly. Okay, that's cool. So we got the number of likes for that post, right? And we got the likes by user, and we're going to use the IP address to actually limit the number of likes to 10. Okay, and then we have the likes here. Beautiful. So what she does is, let's go back and check out the pages. Where is it? Pages, API likes, and here is the like page. Guys, you're not actually looking at the code that well. Okay, there we go. Awesome. So here's the API handler, right? She gets the IP address, and Vercel actually, passes the x forward 4 header, so we can use that to figure out if the actual IP address of the user, right? And this is just a fallback for non-Vercel deployments, but our deployment is a Vercel deployment, so we're cool here. And we get the post ID, right? Then we do the current user ID. So we mash up the IP address, the salts, and we'll just we're creating a hash out of this. Then we got the post ID, and then the current user ID, and we create the session ID. We'll just join them by 3 underscores. And then if we are trying to get the number of likes, right, we're going to get inside of the post meta table and find the post ID, right? And then we'll get the number of times the current user has liked the post. But we don't actually show that in our website. You know, we just show a number, the number of likes that the actual post has. So maybe we can, should we like make it simpler so we don't actually do likes by user? Because her website, let me just show you again. Her website has a like button that you can like only 3 times. So I'm zoom in right here. 1, and there's a little emoji.
That's
2, and then 3, and then that's it, right?
Yeah.
If we refresh,
not gonna bother with that.
yeah, if we refresh, that's still persisted. So no matter how many times I refresh, that's still here, right? So 3 likes only per user. But we don't actually do that. Yeah, we don't actually do that. So maybe we can just like remove this and just keep the likes here, right? If I get spammed, we're gonna do another live stream. Hey, Trost, thanks for the follow, man.
Won't you need to redeploy the stack if you do that, though?
Hey, how's it going? Sorry, what was that, man? I didn't get that.
Won't you need to redeploy the stack, though, if you remove that model? We may as well just leave it alone for now. We can remove it later.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Like, we can. Yeah.
It's not causing any trouble. We could just refactor and remove it later, I think.
I guess. Yeah, you're talking about the actual like limiting the number of likes, or?
No, I'm talking about that likes by user model. We may as well leave it there because otherwise we'll have to wait for it to deploy, won't we? Won't press deploy if you've changed it.
We do need to like redeploy it afterwards, I guess. Again, like I don't know, man.
If it works like any other system.
Sorry?
Expect to have to. If it works like any other system, you'd expect to have to redeploy when you change the schema, right?
Yeah, definitely. That's why we have the another branch here.
So if you leave the schema alone, that's less work for us to do in this stream, is what I mean. You could always remove it off stream.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right, actually. We don't actually need to do that because this is already deployed on the main branch. Yeah, but are we like going to use it? You know, maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking like leave it. You know, I'm thinking about removing it for now, and we'll just increment the likes, right? If we get spammed in future, we'll make another stream where we actually fix that. You know.
That'll be
yeah, I mean it makes sense to limit it also on the on the PlanetScale thing because we only have a limited number of writes per month. Right, so that's why I implemented the batching here. You know, it's not really a batching mechanism. You'd be better off debouncing it, but it's like a simple batching mechanism that's just reporting how many likes have been pressed before the last confetti completes, goes off the screen. But yeah, I mean, let's keep it simple. We're going to remove this. We'll redeploy it. It's not really an issue, and we can go to the API now, and here's our API handler for the view. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna do a new folder called likes, and then we'll add slug.ts, and I'll just paste it here. So this will handle the likes, right? Here's the slug. Right, and what we also wanna do is try, like, how can we? Yeah, we need to pass the number of likes now. Right. So if the user hits 10 times, I guess the easiest way for it to be a query parameter.
Well, if you're posting, it'll be in the body, won't it?
True. Yeah. So we'll just leave it like this. Here's the get one. We get the post meta here. And then we return the views, but instead of views, we'll do return likes, right? Or 0. So get is completed. And now here's the posts. If that post meta doesn't exist, we'll do slug likes is 0, views is 1. But it should, technically, it should already exist because you need to see it first, scroll down to the bottom, and then hit the like button. So it technically should exist, right? But we'll set it like 1 and 1. Otherwise, we'll increment the likes based on the response body, right? So let's also get the number of likes. We'll do request.body.number of likes. I guess this is how it's going to be packed up, right? Or then we can just do this instead, right? And then we'll increment it by the number of likes, not by 1. And then we'll return again the same old, right?
So where does the increment come from? Is that a Prisma?
It's a Prisma thing, yeah. So likes is a number. Yeah, likes is a number, and increment is it's like a function that takes a number of, takes a number and increments this number, the likes number. So if we go in our schema, we can see that the likes is an integer, right? But integers have these nested, I'm not sure how Prisma called them, like functions. And you can pass the number of increments. So this should work, right?
So why do we set the views as well at the same time?
I'm not sure. I mean, let's just do 0 and likes. We'll set the likes to, I guess, 1. No, we'll just set it to number of likes, I guess.
Would that not reset the views though every time you like something?
We do. I mean, there's a different hook. I mean, there's a different API request that we do here for the views.
Oh.
Right. So, for example, you automatically, when you visit the page, it'll get created with 0 likes and 1 view, or the views will be updated by 1.
Oh.
Incremented by 1.
Sorry, I just clocked it there.
Yeah. So then you visit the page and it's already created or updated. So then you scroll down. When you hit the like button, the post method, this should never happen. So maybe we can remove it.
I think it's confusing. Yeah, I think it's only an update because
we definitely want to do update. Yeah. So what's the update function? It takes data. Yeah, there we go. Data.
Yeah.
Likes. Where?
That makes more sense.
And there's the post meta, and then we return the likes. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So we got this, and good thing that we already have our hook for use post views. We're just going to copy paste it because we're lazy, and we'll say this use post likes, right? Beautiful. And we'll do get post likes and update post likes. Lies. Ooh, guys. Likes. Alright, so I'm gonna fetch this thing right here for the slug, and the API is now likes. Beautiful. And we're just going to return the JSON right here. And this is the views payload, so I'm going to do likes payload, and instead of views we'll do likes. Okay, cool. So this will fetch, this will just do a simple get right here and update post likes. Now this is a little tricky, right? Because when we call, oh wait a minute. Okay, so we got increments. Let's just change this to likes. Right, so here's the data, slug or null, and we'll do get post likes. Okay, and then there's the increment that we wrap it in a callback based on the slug, so we'll just mutate the number of likes. Okay, cool. So it will get the number of likes, but it will not trigger the updates. It'll trigger, it'll just give us the increment function. Beautiful. So we can go back to our page now and do pretty much the same thing. So we'll do equals use post likes. There we are, and we'll pass on the slug. We'll get the likes and we'll get the increment, and we'll say this increment likes. And we'll do increment views, so we can just name these. Increment views. Increment views. Beautiful. Okay, so we got the likes now. We should pass the likes to the like button, right?
Yeah.
Number. We'll get the likes, and we'll just place them in the text here. Okay.
Does that need a default value of 0 or something maybe? Or is it?
Yeah, we always return 0 even from the backend. So
okay.
yeah, it should be good.
No, I mean before, because it has to make the request to get the data with the default value.
Right. Okay. So let's just.
Oh no, you already have it. Sorry, I see it there.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's likes. Hang on, you got number of likes, set number of likes, and your.
But this one's for the actual reporting, right? Oh goddamn! Yeah. Yeah, we need to
make it more explicit. I think.
Yeah. So instead of just likes, we'll do likes.
Likes to send or something, or Yeah.
Yeah, likes plus number of likes, because this is like per session, like per batch, and this will be the optimistic update, right? We got the initial likes like 58, and then I hit 5 times, and it should be like 63, right? But it will get updated, behind the scenes. So I guess this is the optimistic update here. So we'll get the initial likes, and we'll sum the number of likes that we're currently clicking. That makes sense. Okay, cool. And on like, we can just say, okay, we'll do, instead of increment, we need to update the increment function here. So the increment is a function that will take the number of likes, right? And we'll pass the number of likes to the update function as well. So instead of just the slug, we'll do number of likes, number, right? And then here's the headers, and we'll do the body stringify. And what was the? I guess it was just likes, right? No, it's number of likes in the body. Yeah. All right, cool. We did, man. We did. You'll see it now. Okay. Increment likes, and we'll do on like increment likes. Nice, and that's a function that receives the number of likes. Beautiful, guys.
Probably type that.
Sorry.
Probably put an annotation on the number of likes further up, because it's any.
Oh, it's any. Yeah, true. Let's get inside. Use post likes. Use callback. Number.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Nice. Good catch. So let's go back to the slug. Let's just see.
I got you.
There we go.
I got you.
Awesome.
Lovely.
Let's check it out. So
nice.
I'm gonna go to network, and it's completely fine. All right, so let's see. One like report. All right, cool. Check it out. Can you guys see? Let me just zoom in a bit. So we're posting the on /API/like/test. Machine. Enough. God damn, sorry guys. Come on now.
Is it slowing down?
Yeah, it is. Alright, so API likes test, post, Body, number of likes. Preview, likes 1. Nice. So if we go back, and it's now set to 0. God damn it. It's set to 0. Okay, we'll see why it's set to 0. But let's just refresh. It should be 1.
It's good you're setting the number of likes back to 0. So this is what I mean, is you might want a more explicit sort of thing of like, these are the likes to be sent to the server, these are the number of likes coming from the server.
But we kinda are. We just don't, the naming might be a bit weird, but check this out. Here's the text, right? And it's likes plus the number of likes. When we set the number of likes to 0, the likes would remain to 1, right?
You think so?
Let's pop the hood and see.
You need, get the debugger going.
We'll just do a refresh to see if the likes are actually updating. Right, so this is the views, and the views. And where are the likes? Okay, let's go back here. What happens here? Nothing much, we just render this, but here we got the views and we got the likes. Use post likes. Use post likes. Does the get post likes. Get post likes fetches the number of /API/likes. And we don't actually see that happening. Views.
That's weird.
That is weird. But we are using it and it's immediately like use post likes. Get post likes. There's the data. Wait a minute. It's not actually dot likes, it's actually number of likes, right? So we are parsing it the wrong way. No, it's actually likes. Okay. What was this now? Views. All right. Let's try to open
I think. Hold on. I think we should change it to number of likes to be pending likes, or something.
In the components.
Or just separate the idea of like, because it's munging it a bit too close. I think. I'm not sure though.
In here, right?
Yeah. I think
so instead of number of likes, yeah, it makes sense. We'll do pending.
Because it's, as you said, the optimistic update, so it's a pending sort of change request, isn't it?
Exactly. Right. So let's see. Likes plus pending likes. On like we'll send the pending likes, and when we click on the button, we'll do set pending likes. Just increment the old one.
Right. And where do we get the saved likes? Where do we get the actual data likes? Them likes are passed in, right?
Yeah.
From the higher level, which is fine.
Yeah, these are the the ordinary ones, the ones from the DB.
The ones that are saved, yeah.
Yeah. So use post likes data.likes. Inside of our get, we get the post meta from the slug likes post meta.likes, and that's what we actually have in the schema, right? Likes. So that should work, but we can only see 3 API calls, and that's weird.
So which line is calling the hook to get that likes data?
Like immediately here.
So views is firing, but likes is not. That's the problem.
Yeah, maybe it's SWR. See,
I thought
it is, man. I mean, the key is slug. We need to update that. Yeah, dude.
Right.
So, if the slug
or something?
No, if the slug exists, we'll do slug/likes. Now let's go back to the views and update that as well. So, if the slug exists, we'll do slug/views. Yeah, because It's a SWR because the views already happened, right? The key is the same, so it's just not going to.
So it's
Let's just reload.
Basically.
It is, yeah.
It thinks that it's the same request because it's got the same.
Oh, wait a minute. Now the slug is actually. Yeah, see.
What's that?
Slash API slash views slash test slash views because we got that here. Okay, never mind. We'll do instead of immediately sending the get most views, we'll do this. So we don't pass this because this is the default. Yeah, this is the argument to this function. Yeah, so we want to avoid slash views. We just want to get this. All right, which should work now. It should work now. So we'll just do get post likes and we'll pass the slug only without the actual concatenation here. Beautiful. Let's see it in action.
Yeah, one like.
Awesome. We already have it. Let's make sure. Let's make sure it's there. It's 0. It's 1. Views, likes, and then views. Awesome.
Andre dance. Whoop, whoop. Andre dance. Whoop, whoop.
Add stream marker. Yeah, I'm gonna clip this. All right, cool. Let's go crazy now.
Click it. Yeah, what happens if you click it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. 15, and 1, and then 15 again. Come on. Give it back.
Give it back. Give it back.
Alright, so the likes are happening. So the get happens. Then we post it. Number of likes 14, and then there's no. We need to revalidate.
It's because it's resetting back to the.
There we go.
Likes.
When we increment, we do the mutate with the number of likes, right?
So
so maybe we should we mutate after incrementing? Wait a minute, dude. We are mutating. We should mutate these. Goddamn.
So Apollo server or Apollo client has this notion of refetching queries after you mutate, and it sounds like that's what we need.
Yeah.
We've got the optimistic update, right? But then we'll want it to make the real requests and update the state, even if it's the same.
Yeah,
The user doesn't see any difference, but it's actually consistent.
I know, but I think SWR should do that, right? We mutated only the slug, but not the slug / likes. So this should actually.
Oh, I'm following you. Okay.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Because this is the key, right?
We're using the wrong key. Yeah. You understand.
Awesome. Let's try that again. Refresh, and we should see it.
15 and then okay.
All right, beautiful. So let's go crazy on this button now.
Let's go crazy. Okay.
All right.
See what I mean? It's flipping back.
Yeah, it's like 15 and then 24 again, right?
So.
There's like a little, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the callback is setting
24 and 29. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. This increment. We got the mutate where we get the key. We pass on the data, but then it also should revalidate. Maybe we can set that to false. Right? So it's not going to revalidate.
What does that mean to revalidate exactly?
Yeah, just like go back and mark the current value as stale.
Oh right. Yeah,
revalidate it and then get it back. So that maybe. Let's see.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It shouldn't go back now.
God damn! It was faster, but yeah.
Check the on confetti complete callback for me, will you? That's an idea, I think.
All right, so there we go.
Check. So if that's setting pending likes back to 0.
Oh, okay. That's actually it, because we said the plus here, right?
So that should be fine because then the likes should include the pending likes when it re-renders.
What if we use what if we do a use effect here? Use effect. Let's see if it produces any nasty side effects. But what if we listen on the likes? Then we'll set the likes to 0. Right? So this will not actually set it. It will, just like on like will actually trigger it. But then it'll go up. And when this thing changes, we got the new number of likes here. Right? So just like zero it out. Let's see. But maybe we should also bring back the revalidate. But we'll see. Yeah. Let's see now. It shoots up.
It's not resetting.
It's not resetting. But if I do one more, how many likes are we going to send? Posts, number of likes 1. It actually works, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It's only 3 likes. There's the post. I'm not going to click it because it revalidates when you switch tabs. But I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again now. And let's see. Let's observe the second post. This thing. It's actually 5. Okay. It works pretty much. Okay, right?
It's working. It's working.
1, 2. Let's see. 2 of them. No flickering, no stuff like that. There's like a tiny little bit, right? But I'm not sure you can like notice it.
No, it's just because you're developed.
See that like?
Does that ever happen to you? Oh, see.
Yeah.
I'm doing the Andre dance.
Yeah, but guys, I think this is okay, right? What you guys think? I think this is okay.
This is a case of like when you're building this stuff and you're doing it so many times, you're noticing all these little tiny things that a user just won't even think twice about. But it's part of us as craftspeople. We want to kind of do things to make it awesome.
Yeah.
Through that, then you just kind of, I know I do. I tend to overdo it because it's like it has to be perfect.
Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Let's try this. So we got the likes from the outside, right?
Yep.
Okay, but we got the pending likes. God damn. All right.
What are you thinking?
I was thinking maybe we can like compare them and see if the math adds up, but we are missing one more variable. We can solve this with 2 variables because we got the pending likes, right? We got the likes. And in this case, the likes are the new likes and the pending likes are, I don't know, 10. We don't keep another variable to actually see what was the previous state. And if the math adds up, then we can set them to 0, so there should be no,
I think that's probably a bit overkill. I think maybe this particular feature, but not sure.
Yeah. Or
I think we should.
I don't know. Or we set like a timeout on like 100 milliseconds and then set it to when the new likes arrive. But then the other way will happen, right?
I'd rather, if this was me doing it, I would probably pass down a callback from parent to say when likes are finished or ready. And then I'd use it. Because I don't like it at the moment where we're passing down likes and using likes as a dependency and use effect.
Yeah.
To me, that feels a bit architecturally wrong.
Yeah.
But that's just what a code smell. It's not necessarily a problem. It just feels off to me. But at the same time, it's working well. I think it might be fine to leave it for a little while until more.
Does make sense, yeah. But we.
I mean, does that IP tester thing? Does that work? Did you try it? Is that what you were doing in there earlier?
No, we actually didn't even try to do that.
Because that's what we were interested in building, right? Was that sort of almost spam protection, right?
Yeah, yeah. So should we like? But yeah, that would also, we would also need to introduce a limit as well, right? So we are giving our like component the number of likes, right? But then we got the pending likes here. But we don't do any API calls, so that should come from outside, right?
Yeah.
So how about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's just this I don't know. This should work fine.
I think it's okay. I think we should look at something else, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just push this.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Incrementing likes. Alright, push it. First, we want to open the deploy request, and then we'll merge everything. Okay. So this was the shadow. We'll just kill the shadow, and we'll kill this one. So let's see, PlanetScale help, because I forgot the actual thing. So deploy request, create review. Okay, so PlanetScale deploy request. Let's ask for help once more. Create a deploy request from a branch again. Create, and once again ask for help. So what do we do now? Database branch. Okay, so we'll do personal website as the database, and then the branch. This was the shadow. PlanetScale personal website is the database, and the branch was called blog post likes. Okay. There we go. Request deploying blog. Let's see. We should see a deploy request now. Okay, cool. Initial setup. That was the initial setup, and now we have it on blog post likes. Beautiful. No changes in the branch. Oh, we didn't do the migration. Wait a minute. We didn't do the migration. How was the migration being done? Prisma.
Well, this is what I meant earlier about maybe we should avoid changing the schema so that we don't have to migrate.
Yeah, but I just want to clean it up. You know, we don't need that table there. What was the npx Prisma migrate? Nice. Oh, hold on a minute. I don't have. Before we actually open the. There we go. There's the shadow and there's the blog post likes. Yeah. I need to open the, and there's the shadow. We're gonna do that here. So npx Prisma migrate, because it actually connects to these branches. All right, cool. So npx Prisma migrate. Migrate what? Update the database schema with migrations. Command. So def creates a migration from the changes. Apply to the database, trigger. What was the? we did. Let me see. Prisma, PlanetScale, David, Parks. No, we're going to do that. Prisma, PlanetScale, David, Parks. It was on his blog, I think. There was like a. It was not this, definitely. Man, I don't remember.
It was the cool looking one.
Yeah, the one with the
glow.
Yeah.
Can you not just search your shell history and find it?
There's an init. There's init. Migrate def. Alright, so it's like migrate def. Okay, cool. npx.
It's running. If it's gonna look at your local schema changes, right? I'm trying to figure that out.
Yeah, definitely. And we already have the PlanetScale set up to update the the migrations. Blog post likes. That would be the name. Okay, 3309 is our branch. The shadow is on 3310. Let's just wait it out. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. So we got this, and now we need to do the deploy request. Should we like reopen it? Let's see if we reopen it. Or maybe the schema changes will, refresh schema. So I don't need to create a new deploy request, right?
You wouldn't think so.
Because we already did the migration. Oh, Andre got the block. Yeah.
Thanks, Andre.
Thanks, my man. There we go.
Yeah, this is the coolest site.
Dude, that's amazing. Let's go for... Okay, there we go. See? There are some changes now. We are dropping the likes by user table. Beautiful. Okay. Deploy. Nice. And now... Now we can do DB migration. Let's just call it DB migration, and now we can merge the actual website here. So GitHub, Lazar Nikolov, personal website. All right, compare pull requests. Able to merge. Let's create it, but we'll just merge it immediately. I just want to see if the Hide app will pick up on it. That's what I want to see. Right, so I'm gonna zoom in. See, can you guys see? Nice. All right, so the blog post likes should automatically go to the done. Okay. Merge it. Confirm merge. Delete branch.
Nice.
Let's see. I'm gonna refresh. Maybe we're like not doing stuff the correct way. I don't know. But yeah, it was like that the previous, in the previous stream as well. So we merged the commit, right? So this branch gets gets a pull request, and it got merged. And maybe that's like not enough. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to do some stuff in the description as well. No idea.
So are you trying to make it so that it'll automatically put that to done when you merge the pull request?
Yeah, like automated the whole workflow. Alright, so we're done with this as well, because we've pretty much done with integration of the PlanetScale and Prisma, right?
So what do you think of this app? What's your opinion?
This one, I mean, it's nice. It allows you to share this view basically, so anybody can like see there's like shared with anyone. So if I drop this here, yeah, people can actually see. Let me show you in incognito. This is what people are going to see. It's like a read only, but it's like a a roadmap, pretty much. Right, so it's like public. I'm not sure. It's nice. I've tried also linear, and linear is like super cool. But this one also has these shortcuts that you can use. See, with Command K, etc. Both are nice. This one also gives me the ability to like open a public roadmap. I don't think linear have that ability, but linear I think has they have like a more features, if I'm not wrong. I don't really remember. But yeah, these are nice. Both linear and height are cool.
Cool.
Guys, alright, so we've integrated PlanetScale. We're done.
Well done.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
So shall we have a look at what we should do for the next stream.
We should definitely, but let's just check out the actual deployment because it should be done by now. All right. Number of views, 0. Likes, 0. No, actually, number of views, 78 because it's persisted. Right, but the likes are 0. So let's try to add some likes. Okay, Andre subscribe. Thanks so much, man.
Oh, who's that?
Who the hell is that? Thank you so much, man. I'm gonna buy you a coffee tomorrow. All right, so
Cool. Whose idea was it to do the confetti? It's just so cool.
oh, it actually updates. You know, it's like up to 60 now. 61. Nice. Nice. There we go, guys. There we go. Okay, awesome, awesome. We've got a DB, we've got everything. We've got likes, we've got views. Check out the views. 79 views. Beautiful. So we are working on this testing thingy. But yeah, okay, so that's that. Next thing that we need to do is some of these tasks. They're not in no order. Right. The colophon page is pretty simple. It's just a page, right? The bookmarks. Okay, the bookmarks page is going to be interesting.
Do you want to open the Figma file and have a look? Let's see what might be the interesting thing to build.
Yeah, right. So let's see. We got the bookmarks now. I mean, bookmarks. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so yeah, the colophon is pretty simple. It's just like a little fine print. Yeah, this page just uses blah blah blah. It's designed and developed, some stuff like this, but there's nothing here.
Developed
Bookmarks.
And with help from Andre and some other crazy person.
But yeah, here's the bookmarks page. I'm not sure. Maybe we can also do Airtable here because I planned on doing an Airtable implementation for the books wish list.
I think we should do that next.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's an interesting challenge.
That'll be cool. We'll also cover the bookmarks as well, so I can keep two databases.
And you could even use it for talks if you wanted to. For your videos.
Would make sense, but yeah, I don't know. Or
actually, it might be separate.
No, wait a minute.
JSON.
Yeah, the bookmarks will be JSON. Talks will be JSON. Or should the bookmarks be Airtable as well?
Well, what makes you think? How would you make the decision?
Well, I don't know.
Whether you want it, are you thinking like labels and tags is what you want that for? Because that's what looks like. That's what.
Yeah, just like labels, tags, and a link. But the thing is, the UX. Do I want to push an update in GitHub when I want to do a bookmark, right?
Ah, good point.
Yeah, maybe it's simpler to just keep these in Airtable because in Airtable you have an interface. Also, you also have a mobile app, so I can just go in and do the.
I think what I would do probably is if you try one with Airtable, and then I would eventually migrate all the data to Airtable just to have it simple.
Yeah, I know.
But for now, I think I think that Airtable would be interesting to try.
Yeah, let's focus on the books on the next stream, so we can check out the Airtable and how to implement it, right?
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yeah, and then but these will be JSON. Only the suggestions are going to go to Airtable. Oh shit! These guys made some progress on the likes. Let's check it out.
Fucking hell. That's crazy.
Awesome. Damn. 2,000 likes. All right, but yeah, these are going to be manually edited by me because, buying books and reading books doesn't really happen like on a daily basis and stuff. So there's no need to automate it or like have a GUI for it. I can just get a new book, read it, and push it. But the suggestions would go to Airtable, so I can list them and decide if I want to buy it or not, right? That's the general idea.
Yeah.
Or I don't know, or they can go in PlanetScale as well. But I need a GUI for that, There's no GUI for your MySQL database.
I do wonder though whether we should have have a design where it's the suggestions are slightly different looking than your JSON static versions.
But these are not these are all static. This is just like suggest me a book, so you'll just send an API call to me and just forget it. It will not show up here.
Okay. Fair.
Yeah, because people can suggest a lot of crazy stuff and creepy stuff, and I don't know.
Fair. Yeah, it's a spam vector.
It is, yeah. So if I give the world the power to actually click a button here and make something permanent on my website, no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, because so these are
cultivating your beard.
Exactly. Yeah.
.com.
.com. So this is like the tags are like I wish to have this, right? This is I have this, but I haven't read it yet. This can change, and this is that I read it. Not just like I have it. I don't know. I didn't think this so much, but yeah, this is like, for example, if I wanted to favorites, set like a book to my favorites. This is like I have and probably read, and this is like a wish. So out of all of the suggestions, I may like take some time, like 5-10 minutes, go through the new suggestions, right? And if something looks interesting, I can add them here and do a push, right? So they get shown on the website, and I'll even write the description. I'll find the the actual cover and add it as well and stuff. That's the the general idea. But we'll use Airtable so I can check them out. I can have a GUI for the suggestions. I could have a GUI on my local, Prisma Studio. I can use Prisma Studio for that, but that's like, I need to start PlanetScale on my computer and then start the Prisma Studio, and then I can see them. But nah.
Nah, it doesn't.
Probably not. But yeah, we'll just keep it simple. Suggestions go to Airtable. All of this is just JSON, and that's it.
Okay.
Docs is JSON as well. Basically everything is JSON except for the bookmarks. We'll see. We'll make it. We'll think through it. Yeah, that was it, guys. That was it. We got both likes. Nice, beautiful. I guess we should call it a day. We've been streaming for like 2.5 hours. That's like a good moment to end this stream now. Awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thank you for staying, and yeah, see you on either Tuesday or Wednesday.
Thanks for having me.
Something it is. Yeah, dude. It was a pleasure to to host you, to be on my stream. So awesome. You're a great guest.
Thank you so much. I'll be back
awesome.
soon.
All right, guys. Yeah, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.